Just like any other business, Amazon also requires daily checks. So right when you go on vacation or you're taking the weekend off, having somebody that's doing daily checks on your account will help keep you calm, cool, collected. And it's super simple. It's just going to be your account health, performance notifications, listing audit, customer messages, and multi-country overview. If you have somebody doing this every single day, even on holidays, and notifying you that it's actually getting done, notifying you if there's any red flags, you should be in the clear. Now, what you're going to do is we're going to go through this real quick. And the first thing you're going to do is account health. So they need to review, your VA or you needs to review this every single day and actually take a full screenshot with the date and the time, so that way you know it's actually getting done. They should be reviewing this, making sure all of these are zeroed out, making sure your compliance requests are zeroed out. Anything that's not zeroed out should be dealt with immediately. Next is going to be your performance notifications. Any performance notifications should be opened immediately and sent to you. Right? Like this one. If you don't respond, you get deactivated in 10 days. You don't want to get deactivated. You know, once you get deactivated on Amazon, it's extremely difficult to get reinstated, even if it's for something small. Number 3 is going to be your inventory. You can also get deactivated for having inactive listings or deactivated listings. Sometimes Amazon's algorithm comes in, randomly deactivates some listings. You're just like, it's not a big deal. Boom, your whole account is suspended. Let's not do that. So right when something's deactivated, something happens on your account, attack it as quickly as possible. And again, through daily monitoring, this shouldn't be an issue. Your messages. Sometimes it just takes one customer to complain to Amazon saying you're not answering, or you're such a terrible person, or making up lies, and then Amazon's buyer team talks to the seller team and suspends the account. You don't want that to happen as well. So make sure you're responding to customers. Again, 7 days a week is my recommendation. Last but not least, almost nobody does this, but look at your other accounts, right? So Brazil, Amazon Canada, Amazon Mexico. If you're selling in UK, you should be reviewing them and doing the same checklist on those, especially if you're selling products in those countries. Check now. We're going to be surprised that you might be accidentally selling products in Canada. Amazon has this weird connection. And if you accidentally get suspended in Canada, it will at some point most likely suspend your account in the USA. So just make sure everything's connected. It's all this does sound super simple, but you'll be surprised on how many people mess this up and they go on vacation, they come back and their account's suspended, or it gets suspended on vacation, which is the worst thing. So that's why it's important to have a team that's there to help. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Of course, if you need help with increasing sales, monitoring your account, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be monitoring your account, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, design, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end or trying to fix issues. We're going to be there firsthand to fix your issues, help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.